Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrashekhar Rao and his cabinet colleagues reached Solapur district in Maharashtra on Monday. They arrived in Pandharpur in a motorcade and 600 vehicles. On Tuesday, Chief Minister Chandrashekhar Rao offered prayers at Sri Vitthal Rukmini temple ahead of Ashadi Ekadashi on June 29th. Chief Minister was accompanied by MPs, MLAs, MLCs and other Bharat Rashtra Samiti leaders. BRS party activists and supporters welcomed the Chief Minister by showering flower petals and pink paper cuttings on the convoy. Despite a request to allow Chief Minister Chandrashekhar Rao to shower petals on the palanquins from a helicopter, the administration denied permission citing security reasons. The pilgrimage concluded with hundreds of palkis and warkaris, followers of Lord Vitthal walking from different areas of the state and merging at Pandharpur.
No, down please.
स्टाफ है देखो ना इसको देख रहे हैं आगे